you. Hello. Nice to meet you. Hello? Anyone here? Hello? Anyone here? Hello. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Please help me. Please help me. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please open the door. Please open the door. Come in. Please come in. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Please. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thanks for everything. Thanks for everything. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my friend. Thanks for the food. Thanks for the food. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Thank you. See you tomorrow. I am sorry. I am late. I am sorry. I am late. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I am sorry for the mistake. I am sorry for the mistake. Sorry. I don't know. Sorry. I don't know. Sorry. Can you repeat? Sorry. Can you repeat? Goodbye. See you later. Goodbye. See you later. Goodbye. Take care. Goodbye. Take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Goodbye for now. Goodbye for now. Oh. Goodbye, my family. Goodbye, my family. Bye-bye. Next video. Subscribe.